Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Apex Legends fix from crashing, freezing. Open File Explorer. Click this PC. Open C drive. Click Program Files x86. Click to open Origin Game folder. Click Apex folder. Click Easy Anti-Cheat. Click to open Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Click Yes to continue. Click Repair Service. Click Finish. Now try to open Apex Legends. Second method is click My Game Library. Right-click Apex Game, click Repair. Verifying game files started. Verifying game files completed. Try open Apex game and play. Third method is click My Game Library. Right-click Apex Game, click Update Game. Verifying game files started. Game files are up-to-dated. Close and run Apex game. Fourth and final method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type SFC /scan now. Wait until it completes 100%. After completes 100%, restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.